YT at dictionary. In a general context, a hiccup is an involuntary and spasmodic contraction of the diaphragm muscle followed by a sudden closure of the vocal cords, resulting in a distinctive hic sound and a slight jolt of the chest or abdomen. Hiccups are often brief and benign, although they can be bothersome. They can occur for various reasons, such as eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, sudden changes in temperature, or irritations of the diaphragm or phrenic nerves. While hiccups typically resolve on their own, they can sometimes persist, and in rare cases, be a symptom of an underlying medical condition. Hiccups are a common and curious physiological phenomenon that has puzzled and amused people for generations.